Hello guys, welcome back to the Funsmith. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to program in Turbo C++. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make a simple calculator which will help you to know what is the sum, product, difference and the subtracted form of any number you type in. So let's get started. Should have the application MS-DOS or Turbo C++ engine, and if you don't have that thing, you should go and download it in the Google Chrome. I will show you the example. Just go to Google Chrome. My internet is a bit too slow, so just wait a sec. I'm gonna refresh this thing. Yeah, so it popped up. Come on. Yeah, then what you have to do is search C++ download for Windows, and you will get many links to many websites, and you can choose any one of them which is appropriate for you or which you think is the best. I will always recommend the first thing that comes in the website because it will have more reviews and ratings than others. So I have taken this app website, and there is this free download part. So if you want to download it, then press this button and the download will start automatically. So I have already downloaded the C++ program, so I'm minimizing it. Yeah, so now let's get started. So I open C++, Turbo C++. So yeah, and it will become like this. This will open like this. So what you have to do is, first I will show you how to display the word or the sentence hello world. So first what you have to do is write hash include studio.h and hash include conio.h. So most of you guys will be wondering why did I write studio, that this there is a spelling mistake in it. No, it is basically written like this. It's just this thing is written in every coding in C++. So I don't know the correct explanation of that because I'm not an expert in explaining. So I'm just showing you guys how to do it, which I have already learned. Yeah, so then what you have to do is we are displaying a word or sentence and it doesn't have any integers or any value in it, so we should write void main and open and close brackets. So this is important. Before starting, be sure that you don't get any word or spelling mistakes or any spacing mistake. Even if there is single spelling mistake, the whole program will be ruined, so make note of that. So next we will put an open bracket. Make sure that you put the same bracket as I do, otherwise there will be problems in your program. So yeah, and let's get started. First CLR then open and close and this thing. So this CLR is a command which will erase all the before program, so the remains of a program which was written before this, so that there will be no intervention in your program writing or when you get the result. So then go enter. Now what you have to do is print f, then open bracket, then double quote, then you have to type what you want. So like first I will type hello world, and close this sentence, just like adding these brackets and this thing. So yeah, and if you, then what you have to do is you can type getch and open and close brackets and do it like that, and then what you have to do is close this bracket. You have opened this bracket, so you close it at the end. This is compulsory for all the program, and this get ch and clser is not so important, but still you can write, for better functioning of your program. This command holds the screen. If it is a very small program, then this will hold the screen. So I will just show an example. If there is no getch, yeah, then you should compile Alt plus F9, and then if there is any problem in your program, then there will be errors, or sometimes there will be simple warnings that you can ignore those warnings and success. Okay, now run your program. Yeah, you see there's a small blink only that happens right now. So what happens when you do getch is that you can see that program more clearly. Just a sec. Yeah, there's a problem in my computer. Yeah, so I reopen it. So it's waiting. Yeah, so now you have added getch. Now run that program, and yeah, now you can see that you have got that hello world properly. So our first task has been completed. So now let's see how we can add more than one sentence into a program. What the hell, man? My program is running into crashes. Yeah, but it doesn't matter, because my computer is a slow processing computer. If you have a better computer, then it won't matter as much. Yeah, so what we can do here is add printf and type something else, like your name or something like that. So I type Funsmith, and let's see what it does. Run. Yeah, so you see the problem. You can see that hello world and the Funsmith is in the same line without any spacing. So there is a solution for that. Before you start any program, do this and add an n and put a space. Do the same in the another line. Do this. Okay, so what it basically does is it adds the word you typed into another line, like it's used for spacing. So you see hello world and the Funsmith is in different lines, so it is very helpful in programming. Yeah, now what do you have to do? Yeah, another trouble, sorry guys. I will just do this and take again. My program runs into some troubles some of the time. Yeah, so go to file, new. So I'm going to be starting a new program because we have to do our main program, right? The calculator, the simple calculator, which will be very useful for you guys. So yeah, what first we have to do is hash include studio.h and hash include corner.h, which is very important. Without those things, this program won't work. Okay, so do you guys know what I'm missing right here? Yeah, I'm missing a bracket here. So open and close brackets. And another thing is that a calculator has integers or number values. So it shows that we have values, right? So we cannot add void in it. Yeah, so we cannot add void because void is for, if we are not sure if there is a number or a value or any other things. So we can add int. So int means integer, so this shows that we have numbers in this program. Yeah, so let's get started. First, this is a bit longer version of this program. There are shorter versions of this program. If you guys want, let me know in the comment below section, so that I can upload the second part of this video to show easier and less complex program of this same thing. Like, it will be shorter and it will save some more energy or data in your laptop or computer. So basically this thing cannot be done in a mobile phone. If that is so, then it would have been very easy for everyone, right? So let's get started. So first we have to do is int a. Yeah, okay. So this int a is a first integer, like some number or a value will be stored in this particular integer, and the next one will be int b. So basically what this int a and b is just to denote that there will be two numbers added to these sections. So then go next and press print f and open bracket, double quote, which is very important. Then what you have to do is enter the first value. So with this you guys will be able to add the first value for your calculator. Yeah, so close bracket and do this, right? Next will be scanf. So open bracket, double quote, and %d, close bracket, comma, and ampersand or and symbol. Yeah, it's called ampersand in programming, or we can also call it as a and a, close bracket. Do this. So what basically we have done here is that we are going to be printing the sentence enter first value, and with the help of scanf, whatever value we are adding here will be taken to a integer or a. Like, a is also seen as a folder. You can think of a as a folder. So what number we are adding here will be going to a. So that's that. So do the same procedure for the b also, like print f and double quote and add enter the second value. Okay, we are nearly done with our program here. Okay, yeah, this much has been done. Now next, and add scanf %d ampersand or and b. Yeah, so our first part of this program has been done, like the place where we input the numbers. So now next, now what we have to do is leave some space so that there will be no confusion in our program. And what we have to do now is that add int sum, because first we can try to do addition because it's the most easiest one. So what we have to do is int is a thing which makes a variable, a folder or a place where numbers can be stored. So sum is a folder. So sum is equal to a plus b. So what happens here is that whenever sum is equal to a plus b, so whenever a and b is added, then the value will be taken to sum. So we can add print f, open bracket, double quote. Now what we do is, you remember how to space, right? So we have to do that thing because it will be a lot worse if it is all together. So we can add an n also with it, and now sum equal to %d, like we added %d here, right? So whenever we get the sum, the %d is displayed right here as the answer. So close double quote and close bracket, and wait, so you have to add comma and type sum, because it should be displayed, or this number, this particular number where sum is equal to a plus b should be displayed here. So we have to close this bracket now and done. And what we are next we have to do is getch open bracket close bracket done. So this will help you to add any number you add. So let's compile first. Warnings will be the like small warnings right here, that doesn't matter actually. So run and it's all ready. So if you press 5 enter and again 5 enter, then you get the sum 10, right? So our third task has been successful. Now next, now what we have to do, just a sec. Yeah. Now what we have to do is that we have to now add in this program subtraction, multiplication and division. So after this all things you will know why this thing will be very helpful for you guys. Okay, now what we have to add is int, now which we should be add subtraction. So sub is equal to a minus b and done. So next print f open bracket then double quote and this thing to put up spacing in it, and sub, you can add any word in here, right? Okay, if you want you can add sum of the numbers a and b, or you can sub of the number, subtraction of the number a and b. So you can add anything you like, but for the easiness I am doing this thing. Okay, so I'm adding %d closing double quote and doing this, and I'm also adding sub close bracket done. Now continue the same step till you get all 4 of them, like multiplication, division, subtraction and addition. So we have finished subtraction and addition. So now let's do multiplication. Int what should we add? For multiplication, short form of multiplication. I know it's a very bizarre name, but still let's continue. A and into this sign is into in the computer because we won't get the correct into digit or something like that. That diagram will not be there because it's a programming language. And B and do this. Now to do the same step, print f and hash n, then do mult is equal to %d, then do this and do that, and type mult because this where number will be going to here, so we have to add. It's very important in this program. Yeah, now we have finished our multiplication section also. Now it's time for division. Int what we should do, we can add div, right? Division div. Yeah, it's cool. So a for division there's a slight thing. For division we should add this, just like this one. This is the symbol for division. We don't have the real division symbol in a computer or laptop, as you can see, because you would be using laptop if you are watching this video. So yeah, there is no symbol like that. So we do that on this and print f open bracket double quote, then this for spacing div is equal to %d close bracket, then do this, then add div in it and close bracket and do this. So what we have done here, we have completed our program. If you haven't quite understood it, you can take screenshot and just copy and paste it. It would be easier, but there won't be fun in it. Like program is a very fun thing to do. So yeah, we can do that. And, do compiling is a success, and only there is a warning in it, so we can run it. Yeah, so first of all we can enter our first value 5. Next I'm adding 5 because it's easier, just to make sure. So we have got these answers. Now let's see if this program can handle bigger numbers in it. So yeah, just a sec. Enter the first value we have gotten here. Just a sec. 5. Enter 3. So after we have entered 5 and 3, we have got this also. Now I think there's a slight error in the program, right? What did you notice right there? Yeah, when we run again, those program is getting all mixed up, so we have to fix that problem, right? So what we can do is an easy thing, like there is another way where we have to change all the sequence and many other things, but I think this is more easier. Just add the spacing variable here, which will even if that happens, it will be easier for us. Like, okay, now which value should we take? 100 and 20. See, we have got the answers. Next, if you run again, enter the first value, you can get that in the another line. So 50 and 61. Yeah, you got the answers, right? So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. So you can save this, or you can type anything. If you are going to save the same program again, then you will get this overwrite existing file portion. So if your mouse or touchpad is not working, you just have to type this highlighted letter. Like if you want to yes, then press Y and everything is done. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you press the bell button so that you will get notified for our more videos like this, and make sure to hit that like button, smash that like button, and also press the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, because there are gonna be tons of fun and entertaining and enjoyable video more coming up in this channel. So